What's up, guys? I just got my AGM Mp40. Took a while to get here, so if you ever buy off the Airsoft guys on eBay, even though they have a good rating, I would not buy from them because their shipping time and prices aren't that great. So I'm going to open it up here, and once I get it out, I'll show you the box. So it's wrapped in like cardboard paper. So first off, I got this little thing. It's a coupon thing. Receipt. So I just found out it didn't come with a box, it's just this, which is really kind of weird. But yeah, there's no actual box for the gun. Here is a manual. It's one of those really funny ones with like cartoons on it and stuff. So put that aside. Now here's the gun. It's a full metal AGM Mp40. So here it is. What you first get, this is a speed loader. It's a 90 round speed loader, which is really great to have. You get a pack of these BBs, which are actually, everyone always says you shouldn't use these, but it says these are by Golden Ball, so I don't know. They look fine. So I know a lot of people say don't use these, but I guess I would use these because they're made by Golden Ball, which is one of the best companies, or the best company. Barrel plug, always good for safety. Got a 8.4 volt mini type or small type battery. Both this is small type and this is small type, so you get this charger. I would recommend upgrading to a smart charger though, because smart chargers shut off when they're done charging. These keep going and going, and it only takes like 30 minutes, but this takes like 5 hours. So yeah. What you get next is a sling. I had no idea it came with a sling, but I'll have to try the sling out. Next is a full metal 50 round magazine. I think it's no, it's low cap, it's not high cap. But yeah, it's a really nice magazine. I would recommend getting more of these, which you can get online. Now onto the, there's a unclogger rod, which is really helpful. Now onto the gun. Wow, it's a lot heavier than I thought. Here's the gun. Review in a separate video, so thank you for watching and have a nice day.